Highballs, some people love them, some don't. That's not true. Everyone likes them. But are they cocktails? Some would say that they aren't, and that there's an important distinction to point out. To them I say, who cares? Today I have 3 weird highballs to show you that I hope will be delicious. Let's go. A while back I decided to try some Baiju just to see if I would like it. I didn't really, but a loyal viewer named Jason Coates suggested I try Baiju and Coke Zero. Now, I'm Gen X, so I firmly believe that classic Coke is the only Coke. So let's go ahead and give that a try. Baiju and Coke. It's as easy as that, Baiju and Coke. Let's give this a try. I haven't tried this before, so we're gonna see how this is. I don't love Baiju. It's still got that kind of weird Baiju taste. I mean, Coke makes everything sweet and delicious, really, so it's hard to argue with. On the other hand, Baiju kind of ruins everything. I could have put less Baiju in, I suppose. I don't know. I don't love that. It's got a weird, super dry aftertaste. It's a sort of like bitter aftertaste that I don't understand. I'm gonna give that one a pass. It's really, really weird. When you get a suggestion from someone named Jasper Nordstrom that you should try Gaml, Dank, and Dr. Pepper, that's a suggestion that you take. Gaml, Dank, and Dr. Pep. Now, I know I said earlier that classic Coke is the only Coke, but Dr. Pep is actually my very favorite soft drink. If given the choice, I'll always have a Dr. Pep. Yeah, now that's more like it. I like that. It's got a nice bitter aftertaste. It comes in kind of waves. It's like Dr. Pepper. Dr. Pepper's got this weird, unique flavor that I don't really know what it is. It's herbs and stuff, I guess. And it kind of contrasts with the Gaml Dank. It's got like a sweet start and a bitter finish. I mean, I could drink a lot of those. Yeah, it's sort of like Gaml Dank, the Dr. Pepper and the Gaml Dank sort of combine in a fun new way where it tastes like both, but then also a third thing that's them together. I don't know. That's a pretty good combo. That's something I can get behind. That's kind of weird. Not too weird. Now, videos like this should always have 3 things in them, so I'm going to lay on you my favorite weird highball, and that's Fernet and root beer. Now, I know that Fernet and Coke is a popular drink in Brazil, I believe. It's not like I came up with this on my own, but I really, really enjoy it with Dr. Pepper. I normally will get like a root beer syrup. Portland Spirit Syrups makes this pretty good root beer syrup, and I'll just combine it with, fizzy water. But for this, I decided to buy a fancy root beer, so let's give it a taste. That has a lot more bitterness in it. Yeah. It's kind of the same as the Gaml Dank and Dr. Pepper, where it's like the sweetness up front and the bitterness at the end. But this I just like a root beer flavor, and a root beer and that sort of mentholy, minty Fernet. I just think that's a great combo. I could literally drink a million of those. So, yeah, delicious. Not weird at all, actually. Pretty normal. Okay, hopefully that was entertaining. I don't know how informative it was, but let me know your thoughts down in the comments. If you got any other crazy highballs, let me know. In the meantime, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.